Right now, $47.37 is the best price for one SSB network/SSB coin. It's gone up 4% in the past 24 hours. The price of SSB ended higher than it started 48.57% of the time. One SSB has ever been sold for $50.99 in our base, but that was 6 days ago. The price is now minus 7.11% lower than that high point. Out of 17 technical indicators, 12 say to buy and 1 say to sell. Based on technical price analysis, the short-term prediction opinion is bullish. The first big rising resistance for SSB is at $49.59. It needs to close above that level to keep going up. The bottom support is at $42.81. We could see the price drop even more if it falls below $42.81. If it can close above $49.59, on the other hand, it can go up to $56.38, which is the next level of support. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the last 14 days is at 65.84, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. In the same way, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the weekly chart is at 48.10, which also shows that the market is acting normally. Exponential moving averages show a strong sign on the daily chart. EMAs for 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200 days are all above the price of SSB network right now. In the past, the price of SSB on the last day of March was up above the open price 2 times out of 3 times. The price was down below the open price 1 time out of 3 times. For the past 4 years, November has been the best month for SSB network. 3 times as much SSB was worth at the end of November as it was at the beginning of the month. 3 times out of 4, the price at the end of October was less than the starting price. This makes October the worst month. For more information, look at monthly results. SSB network had 2 bull runs. The first one started in November 2021 and ended with an all-time high of $18.26. Just 85 days later, the price dropped to its lowest point of $6.77. Before the next bull run, it took about 5 months from November 2021 to hit a new all-time high. Our SSB network price estimate says that the price of SSB could reach $50.51 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think that the price will reach $111.46 in 2025 and $215.92 in 2030. Taking all of these past highs and shorter-term predictions into account, the estimate for 2040 is $673.13. We think that SSB network will be worth $111.46 in 2025. That's how high we think SSB will go, and $82.73 is how low we think it will go.